So I'm at this place called the Dollar Kebabs and Restaurant, and you find like the world's best mushroom biryani here. So this is like a cute little small little place. It's almost like a bit of an Irani joint, but it's the food here is really good. I mean, like if you were to taste this mushroom biryani, they make it with butter, yeah. So I mean, I know of very few places that normally it's oil, right, in biryani, but here it's they say no, attention to detail is what sets people and things apart. So this is one place I've seen that really good food. So you can take a look around. I mean, there's not much of an ambience to speak of, but since the food is good, that's what is important. So, yeah, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.